this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why?
Hi dolls and gents, I hope everyone is having a bomb day. I am going to show y'all how I installed this gorgeous chocolate brown wig today. As you can see, it has a nice transition from a natural, like off black color to this gorgeous chocolate brown shade. It looks absolutely amazing. I love it. And today's wig is from a company I've worked with before. This wig is from Gorgius Hair, so I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And if you would like to see how I install this hair today, then definitely stay tuned, guys. So my wig arrived in this gorgeous holographic box. It came with a wig cap and this zipper bag with wig clips, elastic band, bobby pin and tweezers, as well as this edge brush. The wig I'm installing today is from Gorgius Hair. It is their caramel crown 4x4 lace falling curls Bohemian style wig in 24 inches. And here's the inside cap construction of the wig. It has 3 wig combs in the front, 1 in the back, as well as an elastic band. And it does have a 4x4 lace closure with a pre-plucked hairline and bleach knots. I did tint the lace with that lace tinting spray that I just showed you guys. I will leave it linked in the description box down below for y'all. But I went ahead and applied the wig. I wanted to switch it to a side parting because that's what I was feeling today. So I shifted the wig over to the side, and next I'm gonna go ahead and cut off that excess lace. And I do like to cut the lace in a zigzag motion to give it a more natural look. And I'm going in with the Ebin wig spray in the black can and spraying this along my hairline. And I'm waiting until it gets tacky to lay the lace down. Before the spray completely dries down, I wanna take the end of my comb and just run it along the lace to make sure that it's all adhered down on my forehead. So next I'm just gonna define a side parting. And then I'm going to take my wax stick. Y'all know I use this every time to lay the top of my wigs. And then I go in with my spritz. This is my olive oil one. And I use my hot comb to lay and smooth the top of my wigs. This works perfectly every single time, y'all. It never fails. Now it's time to lay the baby hairs, so I'm just gonna pull out a small slither of hair in the front, y'all. I don't want super thick baby hairs with this look. Honestly, you don't have to do baby hairs, but I did want to do light baby hairs in the front. So I'm going in with my curling wand just to further slick down that parting area and make sure that it's super flat. And I'm cutting the baby hairs shorter than normal. I've been going for a more short baby hair look and I've been loving it. I normally use mousse to lay down the baby hairs, but today I'm going to be using my Ebin black spray, the same thing that we use to lay the lace, to lay these baby hairs. They're very light and I feel like this spray helped to accentuate exactly how I wanted the baby hairs to go, and it stayed in place. So here is the natural curl pattern of the hair after co-washing. You could definitely rock the wig just like this, but I'm going to style her up. So we are going to curl her with a curling wand, the same curling wand that I used to flatten out the top of my hair. And I'm curling away from my face. I'm using a curling glove because I want to get those curls as tight as possible, y'all. And I have shorter nails, so the glove definitely helps me not to burn myself. If you have long nails, you already know you can do this without a glove, but my nails are too short for that, okay? So once I finished this side of my head, I wanted to go in with my hairspray. This is my Sebastian Shaper hairspray, and it definitely helps to hold my curls in place, especially when I go on to the next side. So I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side. I'm just curling in the opposite direction because that is going to be away from my face. So now that we've finished the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the other side with the same hairspray, and I wanna make sure that top is nicely sprayed as well so that hair can stay curled up top on my crown. Then I'm gonna take my curling wand and run it across the top just to give me a little hump there. I like that look. And I'm gonna further flatten the top of the wig. So you could leave it as is if you like a more defined look, but I want my curls to be super voluminous. So what we're gonna do is go in with a comb. I first started out with this rat tail comb, but I wanted something with wider teeth, so I'm actually gonna use a wide tooth comb on the other side because it gives a better effect. But you can use a comb as well as your fingers to really get those curls nice and big. Do you see the difference? It still looks good in a defined curl state, but I just love combing those curls out, y'all. Don't comb them out so much that you can't even tell that you curled your hair, but just do it enough to where you are getting a nice voluminous bombshell look. It looks amazing, y'all. This wig is super gorgeous, y'all. It was super easy to install. It's a closure, so it's definitely beginner friendly. And I love the way the baby hairs turned out. I love the color. I love those gorgeous bombshell curls. And I hope that you found this video enjoyable as well. Gorgius Hair never disappoints me with their wigs. They have very versatile styles on their website, and I love their lace closure wigs. I haven't tried their lace frontals yet, but the lace closures, they are killing it. I love the fullness of this wig. It's not too full, and it's definitely not thin. It's giving volume, and the color is freaking gorgeous. I love this color. If you're interested in checking out this wig, I will leave a link down below to Gorgius Hair's website, as well as any coupon codes that I have. And if you would like to see a makeup tutorial on this look, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm long overdue for a new makeup tutorial, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you're on the hunt for a new foundation, definitely check out this video right here. You don't want to miss it.